What's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. We still working on Justin's car. It might be, see, in like 2 weeks going to get the weld work done. So I'll show you what we got done so far. Look at those. We got, no one cares about your stupid wheels.
Whoa.
So we got the new coil packs put in. I've wired up this was just like permanently hardwired before, so I did a Deutsch connector on that. And throttle cable's in.
That's a powerhouse one, which we had to custom measure because people don't make hand drive ones.
Goes through there. So that's on. I feel like we did a lot more than that. Oh,
Yeah,
we're getting ready to wire up the, yeah. We didn't get the right exhaust manifold gasket, so we're waiting for that from Toyota. We took off the power steering and the AC compressor because we're getting a new, a thing from Powerhouse Racing that's a line that comes out of where the oil temp sensor, the factory one is, and then you run a line underneath the intake manifold and you put your oil pressure sensor in there. And because he didn't have one of those.
Oil cooler is on there.
Yeah, the oil cooler, which they saw that last time, but it's actually like hooked up and done. This one line just needs put up. And then here's these stupid wheels. I don't know why.
Stupid.
I don't know why he took knockoff wheels and put the Volk Racing sticker on there.
Whoa!
No, these are authentic TE37s. 295/30 in the rear.
Yeah.
And then they're 18s. Fronts are 18 by 9.5, rears are 18 by 10.5. What's the offset? Do you know?
Plus 38 for the fronts, plus 42
It's on it.
or 45.
Yeah, turn it around.
You're asking a lot of questions.
Look, just pick up the freaking wheel.
And my hands are clean.
Let's see. It'll be in one of those indents.
45, yep.
45? Okay. And you're sure about the front?
Yeah, 38 plus 38.
Okay. So yeah, so we ran the hood latch cable. So we're gonna get the I'm gonna work on the wiring for the oil pressure sensor, and Justin's gonna put in the fender liners, and then we're gonna be able to put the wheels on permanently. Like, that's all done.
And then we can kind of drop it because every bit of suspension and brakes is done too.
Yeah, we could technically put it down, which my quick jacks would probably appreciate.
But we're gonna put it back up to take the diff out anyway, so we'll probably just leave it up.
Yeah, our OS Geiken finally shipped, so we're gonna be putting that in.
8 months later, after we spent the money and put fluid in and did all that other crap last week.
Yeah, and we'll do a video on that. It's not hard to install the OS Geiken in a 200mm diff because there's no shimming. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do some wiring, and then when we go to do the interior work, like putting in the carpet and everything, we'll set up the camera behind the Supra so you guys can watch us work. Okay. All right, guys. So I think last time. See, the beginning of the video, we were having issues with the car. I don't know. We figured some stuff out. So, my car's back. Yay. We might work on my car today. I don't know. So, engine's basically all together. Turbo, all that stuff's permanently on. Catch can. Like, this is all ready to go. This is done.
We have one can, the coolant, that's it.
Yeah, the coolant thing, but whatever. Let's see, what else did we do? Carpet's in, dash is in, HVAC system works phenomenal with our new foam kit. This seat's in, this one isn't. And then, let me see if I can get to the other side. Oh, I just hit the fan. Oh, that's the wing. This still needs, I'm gonna build a plate for this. But so there's a gray wire that goes to this plug, and that wasn't allowing our, like, if I could just touch this plug like this and the fuel pumps would kick on and off. Oh, I pinned all this too. This is all done. And we put in a new he has an oil pressure sensor now. But anyway, so there's a yellow wire, or a gray wire that would run into this that I could just push on this. The fuel pumps would kick on and off. Cool, we solved that. We thought that was a relay. It wasn't. Then there's another wire on here, the black wire with the yellow stripe, C1-10. Remember how I was saying the ignition, like when you turn it off, it wouldn't reset the stepper motor?
It would kill all power.
Yeah, it would kill all power as soon as you shut the key off. And the stepper motor wouldn't reset. So it was that C1-10 pin. It wasn't going all the way in to the plug. Like the pin wasn't making good contact with the other part of the pin. And we figured it out because Jose Valia told us where to look. And as soon as I stabbed it with like a test light, it worked. So now it resets the stepper motor. So, is the battery disconnected?
Yeah,
where's the key? It is not in the ignition.
Well, then you won't.
Dude, where's the key?
I don't know, but you have power.
Yeah, but I don't have a key.
Why don't you have a key?
I don't know.
Is it on the deck? No. Oh, it's on the deck.
Oh.
I pulled this out.
So.
Hey.
Fan's on.
It's fucking moving.
I don't know why that's on.
That's the coolant one, ain't it?
Yeah, I don't know why that's on.
Small fan.
Anyway, so listen when we shut it off. So we fixed it. I don't know why the fan's on though, so we gotta figure that out. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. I mean, we're gonna finish putting the interior together today, hopefully. Put all this in. We gotta shorten up that wire, hook up another wire. But yeah. So
I don't know what we're getting, but we got parts.
we're gonna get going on that. And oh, that really got dark. That was weird. So we're gonna get going on that, and then yeah, we got some more ground straps I made. We're replacing the one on the tranny and adding one from the head to the firewall. Oh, that was our other issue too. Why I wasn't starting. All our grounds needed sanded and put on like the bare metal. Like that was all jacked up. So we fixed all that. But our goal is to get the interior in and the car down on the ground and actually like back it out today. So all right, let's get to work. All right, guys. So we made some more progress. We got all the grounding straps on. That was a nightmare. And then we got the box installed. So the battery's too big. He's gonna get a smaller battery. And then it'll sit in, but this is good enough for now. We got that mounted, so that's where that's gonna stay. These just need to be like zip tied up in here. But yeah, and he has the cover coming for this from Powerhouse. But he has a shift light in the dash from Stu Hagen. Is it plugged in?
Do not turn key past ignition, you said, I think.
Well, I just want to turn the lights on, but they're not coming on. So...
Did you plug the ECU back in?
No, I sure didn't. So the ECU's unplugged. Anyway, I'll show you those later. So, we got... that's because I was trying to fix something with the welder underneath, and that didn't work. So yeah, so he's gonna mess with that. So it's like a shift light thingy, and there's like this box and this switch, and I don't know. He has to activate it. So basically, the whole entire cluster will flash red when it reaches whatever RPM you set your shifter, like where you want to shift at. This is kind of cool.
Ground wires.
Yeah, the ground wires are done. We added one that I didn't even know about. I gotta add it to my car too. So there's one that goes right here, and then it goes to the firewall. So every ground strap that's supposed to be on this car is on, and everything's sanded and good and nice, and so that's all done. Yeah, I feel like we didn't do much since I was just filming earlier. We really didn't get very far. So he's painting the wiper cowl part right now. Mine could actually use done too. Mine's pretty bad. So he's painting it with the bumper and trim paint. So yeah, so we're going to keep going. Actually, we're gonna order some food and then we're gonna keep going. And then I'll show you guys once the interior's in, which will hopefully be in like an hour or so. All right. All right, guys. So this is the tack thing I was talking about. Go ahead. So you can see the tacks moving. See? That's the shift light. Kind of cool.
Is it gonna be it for this video?
Yeah. All right, guys. So, wow, that's really zoomed in on my face.
Yeah.
All right, so we're basically done. All the interior's in.
So I got a new cowling, a new.
Yeah, we got that new steering wheel. All that's getting replaced. Some nice Brom seats that are overpriced.
Hey, I got. Sort of.
So that's all in.
So those two things need to go in.
Yep.
And this.
We got to fix the hell was that? We got to fix the center console piece with the boot. We got to put the other seat in, but we're leaving that out for now because I'm gonna build. Let me come over there and show you.
I may or may not.
Oh, I fixed all this wiring too. I redid all this because whatever Mr. Nagasaki did it in Japan didn't.
You can't say that.
Yeah, I can. Whoever did that in Japan didn't freaking do anything. Pull the carpet back.
Is I smoking in my car?
That's fine. So I still got to build a plate right there to hold the ECU and all that. I thought you ran that cable up
Which cable?
for the computer.
It's down here.
Oh,
It just needs plug. It's right there.
okay. So yeah, I got to build a plate to mount the ECU and all that.
And then I had a hole up here for an old knock sensor, so we just ran the ECU cable there.
So that's pretty much that. The other seat's right there. We just got to put it in.
These are obviously not the final seat belts. I got a NRG harness bar and then 4-point Brom harness.
Yep. Door panels still need to go on, but there's rubber trim that goes on the doors to seal them, and we don't have the little clips that hold that in.
Oh, we had new clips, but I guess not.
Yep. So that's pretty much it for this video.
We might start it. And
Yeah, we might start it, but that's boring stuff because we got to burp the system and all that. We got to fill it with coal and burp the system, all that fun stuff. So yeah. So that's going to be it for this one. The car's together. Next thing is go get it aligned, and then if we're probably not going to be able to film any of the welding because we're not going to be there. So I guess the next video will be us putting the intercooler piping on. Well, it'll be on already. Then the next video should be us tuning. Yeah, the next video should be us tuning, hopefully, in a couple weeks. So there might be a couple week break. We might end up working on my car on the weekend too, so you might see that. But yeah, it's going to be it for this one. So appreciate you guys watching, and see you in the next one.